Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to create an eye-catching collage video, like the ones you see on social media with multiple clips and images showing at once, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use CapCut to transform your footage into a dynamic collage that stands out. Let's jump straight in. No fuss. Just practical steps you can follow. Alright, step 1. We're going to import your media and set up your timeline. Open up CapCut and start a fresh project. Don't worry, this part just takes a couple clicks. Now, look for the Import button. This is where you'll bring in your own videos and images from your computer. Take a second to browse and pick the ones you want to use in your collage. Once your files show up in your media library, drag your main clip down onto the base timeline track. Think of this as the background canvas for your collage. For any additional videos or images you want to overlay, drag them just above the first clip, placing them on the tracks stacked above the timeline. This layering is key. It's what creates the collage effect, kind of like stacking transparent sheets in art class. If you haven't done this before, remember, you can move clips around if you change your mind. CapCut is very forgiving here. Now, on to step 2. Adjusting each clip so they sit nicely together. Click on one of your overlay clips, the ones above the main timeline. Here's an insider tip. To position overlays accurately, drop the opacity down to about 50%. Opacity just means how see-through your video is. Lowering it lets you see what's behind, which makes arranging things way easier. Don't worry if you're not sure how far to go. CapCut usually lets you slide opacity smoothly, so just keep an eye on the preview until it feels right. Use your mouse to resize and move the overlay around. You're aiming for a layout where every clip or image can be seen clearly, without crowding each other out. Maybe you want one clip tucked in the corner, another stretched wider, or a photo overlapping gently on top. It's totally up to your creative vision. Once you have a clip exactly where you want it, slide the opacity back up to full, 100%. This locks the look and makes your collage crisp and vivid. You're going to repeat this process for each overlay. Adjust the transparency, position, and resize the clip, then restore the opacity. It can feel a bit like solving a puzzle, arranging each piece so the whole collage tells your story. Don't rush. And if something doesn't look quite right, you can always tweak the position or try different layouts. Sometimes you'll spend a little extra time getting everything lined up, and that's completely normal. Experiment. CapCut gives you room to play, so take advantage. If you're wondering why these steps matter, here's the deal. Learning to balance multiple clips visually lets you craft engaging stories or highlight contrast, movement, and emotion. Collage videos are wonderful for event recaps, side-by-side comparisons, or even just showing off fun moments from different angles. And once you understand the basics, you can get even more creative next time with effects, text, or transitions. And that's it for your first collage video in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want tips for more advanced edits, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy practical video editing guides. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.